Hello, this is a video tutorial on how to create a database and table on XAMPP using PHPMyAdmin. So while you're opening a XAMPP and you have to make sure that MySQL is running, as you can see as a green background, just click on the admin button. Doing so, it will open the PHPMyAdmin. These are the list of the databases you have. You can simply create on new or use one that you already have listed on the left. So I can say, okay, my database. I'm going to go ahead and create that. Simply doing so, you are inside the database and you can start creating the table. XAMPP comes with the default root user with no password, a blank password. If you want to create a new user and assign the privileges to that user to access this database, you simply can go ahead and click on privileges. Right here, these are the current user and their accesses. So you go ahead and say add new account user. You go ahead and put the username if you want to and start specifying the hosts. So here I'll go and say add my username, right? My user host. It can be all of them, or simply you can select local or any other host that you want, right? So if I do that, this is only on the local host, and then I have to have a password. I can simply go ahead and put my password here. Okay, I repeat putting it again. Everything is okay. Authentication, native is good. I'll go ahead and there are a few options here. This is what we want to select. Grant all privileges on database, my database. This is the database we just created, so we want to grant all the accesses there too. So these are the global privileges that you want to add. You can simply go ahead and say checked, or if you prefer to not grant some of the access, you can simply take them out or uncheck them if you want to. Click on that. Simply the privileges has been done. Everything should be okay now. And simply if you go back to the database, my database here, and everything is ready to be create the table. So right here I have the let me just go back. I have the databases, right? Let me just go back here one more time. So if I go to databases, I can see my database, check privileges. I can see my user is here on localhost, global, all the privileges on the table, right? If you want to create a table, simply go to the my database in this case, or the database name that you call. You define how many fields you want for the table. So I'm going to call it table foo, right? And I say I will have 2 fields, right? And then I click OK, or 5 fields, 10 fields, as many as you want. I'll start with the ID first, and then I will make this auto incremented number. Usually what I do is when I make this auto incremented number, I make it unsigned. Then I can have the name. Then I'll go and do varchar and I specify the number of character. Everything should be okay. Store engine, if you want to have a transaction and enforce the referential integrity, you keep it at InnoDB. Otherwise, my ISAM is another choice that you can have for the database engine, right? You click save, everything is ready to go. That's all for the XAMPP and creating database and table using PHPMyAdmin. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you and bye.